Hello guys, in this video we try to see something, an alert about Tesla, so stay tuned. Hello guys, my name is Abdelkarim Ramain, I am your teacher and coach. Now, I got a question last live session and the other live about Tesla. So I said I am negative on Tesla because of what I see. So let's show you the chart in order to understand. Now, as you can see, Tesla was $379.49. Now, from this day, which is 14th of December, most of the time the stock market was going down. This is the 26th that we know. So Tesla was doing excellent. It was going down, then we have gap down. It was going excellent, but it didn't fail to continue like the market. The market has continued to go up from 26th December. About this, if you can see here, and instead of going up, it collapsed. And a lot of you guys have asked me many weeks ago, 1 week ago, 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, and as you can see, someone told me, can I buy Tesla now? I say, what is the thing that you see it is good to buy it? What is the thing? Tell me. Okay? Tesla, yes, it is a very strong stock. It can go up very, very quick. This is a reality. But understand that, on Friday, here, as you can see, Tesla lost $17, 7.58%, which is too bad. As you can see, it's $17 here. Okay? So Tesla, as you can see, is going into a downtrend. A downtrend is when a stock is having new highs. For example, if you put a line here, you have a new low here. Tesla going up, then it crosses. This is the old low. It crosses, then it crosses here. It crosses here. It goes up. We have a gap down. And it stays near, and then it collapses. Okay? And it is still collapsing. Another low here, and then we have a new low for this year. So Tesla this year is too bad. I don't know what's going on to Tesla. Is it only the auto manufacturers index that it is going down only? Or it is all the automotive that are going down as a sector? So guys, if you own Tesla or you are going to buy, please check all this stuff. Check the fundamentals, why Tesla is going down. Or check if it is only the auto manufacturers major industry or the automotive sector that it is going down. So everything is going down. Okay? So be careful of that. Understand that for me, how I trade. If I buy a stock, whatever is this stock, whatever you tell me, even Facebook that I love too much, Apple, I love too much. Okay, and I have traded a lot. But if it goes against me and it begins to take money from me, from my profits, I will sell. I will never stay. Whatever is the company, whatever is the stock, when it is taking money from you, just exit and watch. Okay? Exit and put your money safely into your account and watch. If this stock comes back again and it is very strong, buy it again. What's the problem? But if you do the mistake, and I am sure 100% that a lot of people do the same mistake again and again and again and again. What is this mistake? It's to hold a loser. And you say, oh, in the past it has gone down, but it goes up. But who tells you? Who tells you that this stock will go up? Whatever is the company, whatever it is famous, it can collapse. Competition in the competition in the real world is something so big. Any company can fall if the competition, or if other competitors are better than her, or if it doesn't make enough money, it will collapse. Any company, without exception. Okay? So be careful of that, and hope you don't own Tesla right now until we see new thing. Thank you very much.